Good morning guys, it's currently 12:05. Currently making some lunch slash breakfast. Also about to head to the gym in, I don't know, like a half an hour or so. But yeah, don't have much planned for today. It's been like raining and now it's sunny, so can we just talk about its lighting? Oh my god, it's so glary. But it is amazing. Like, I don't think I've showed you guys downstairs. So this is the kitchen. And then there's the dining table, and then this is a bit bare at the moment. We've just got the lounge, TV, and then there's the stairs, and then you go to your right and there's a little toilet. I call this the designated visitors pooping spot. It's also really great when you're lazy like me and don't want to go all the way up the stairs just to go to the toilet. All the way up the stairs. High window. Bedroom there. Bathroom, hey guys. And then my room, which is messy. I'll do a little clean up and then show you guys. But yeah, that's pretty much the house, guys. It's pretty cute. Let's check on my lunch. I'm making a little ham and cheese croissant. Not the healthiest thing, but I've been so busy the past like couple of weeks with like packing and then moving and cleaning and settling into my new place. So I haven't been to the gym in like 2 weeks, which is so bad. But I just like have lacked motivation as well, honestly. But fan was making weird noise. But yeah, I'm excited to go today because running up those stairs, I'm like already puffed, which is very bad. Oh my god, I loved this show when I was younger. It's called Charmed. This is so nostalgic, oh my god. Like I used to watch it when I was like 9 or 10. I don't even know what like rating the show is. So it's a couple of hours later. I haven't been to the gym yet. I decided I'm gonna go later this afternoon because I need to pick up a couple of things from my old place and it's close to the gym, so I thought why not go on one trip. I think I'm gonna have this protein bar before I go. It's really good. It's salted caramel flavor. Also gonna have a banana. Actually, I think I might have this. It's the Nudie coconut yogurt. It's dairy free, so, and it's like vegan. Focus camera, oh my god, thank you. So yeah, it's gluten free and vegan friendly. Cats need a holiday too. I'm gonna have this, and I'm also going to put some strawberries and some blueberries and banana with it. Ew, it's like dripping. I'm actually that lazy that I don't even want to get a chopping board out, so I'm just using the strawberry lid. These strawberries look so freaking good. Super rad. Time for some berries. Oh, my hands. Yum. It's a meal up in here. It's currently pouring down rain. But I wanted to show you guys this candle. It's by the brand Royal Essence. They're an Australian brand and I think they only deliver within Australia. So if you're from Australia like me, definitely go check this brand out. But yeah, this candle smells so freaking good. It's in the scent strawberry cheesecake. And what's really cool about these candles, this sounds like a sponsorship, but honestly it's not. They have jewelry, like literally like rings in the candle. Yeah, it says jewelry worth between $10 and $2,000. I'm just waiting for this candle to burn a bit more so I can like grab the jewelry. I think that's where it is. So I want to show you guys what ring I get. So I got a bit of tissue and I got a spoon and I'm gonna try and like dig it out. Alright, I'm gonna try and get it out. Oh shit. I got it, guys. I told you there's a ring. Oh, I just dropped it. Alright, I'm gonna try and open this up. Ew, there's so much like candle wax on it. I think it's so cool that they have jewelry in like candles. I feel like it's such a unique idea. It feels so gross. Told you there's a ring. I'm just gonna wash my hands real quick and I'll be right back. So guys, I got it open. This is the ring. How pretty is that? It's like a flower. I don't know if you guys can see that. Guys, look how pretty this is. This camera just does not do it justice. It's super pretty. Yeah, these rings have a little code on them, so you can go online and look up how much the ring is actually worth. So I'm literally just gonna go on the website right now. So the code is Y9ZZ45. $150. So this ring's worth $150. That's so cool. I know this seems like a freaking sponsorship or something, but I swear it's not. I just really like their products. I wish I could be sponsored by them. That would be amazing, but maybe in the future. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that little candle ring present unboxing. I thought it'd be really cool to show on YouTube